Now let's talk about what it is you can do to change that whole scenario and have attraction marketing for what you do and be able to relax and enjoy your business and helping others without the constant struggle of chasing people. It is no fun. Nobody wants to do it, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to be able to not put your company name everywhere. I mean, everything's about your company. Let's say your company was called Credible Photography or whatever it is. And you put that everywhere on everything you write, everything in your Facebook page shows your company name. That's it, right? It's all about your pictures about your company, logos on your company. I mean, you just got that everywhere, and people look at that, right? And you think, well, then they'll join me. Well, no, they're going to not want to join you because that just makes you want to throw up. Nobody joins a company; they join people, and that is the wrong way to market. I mean, I know a guy that every single day he markets the same thing. His business info every day. I mean, it's like, you're just like, who are you? You don't have a clue who they are. All you see every day is that they market their business information, period. So you're like, okay, wow, that's incredible. And then, see, yesterday they put on there that, well, their business went down, but they have this other one they're doing that is doing well, and so they're putting that up now. And it's like, well, that's such a turnoff, really. It is so not the way to attract people. They don't know much about you because all you ever do is post information on your Facebook page that has to do with your business, has to do with all of that, and it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. And I know how to do it the correct way. I've been trained. I'm still getting trained. And it's a skill set that'll never grow old because it works, and you have like access to 2 billion people, 2.5 billion people. Never going to run out of people with that, right? And if you set it up in the right way, you fix your page so you can do that, and people come to you, they write you, they ask you questions, they attend your stuff because they know about you. They see all the things going on in your life and in your family, and they also see proof of you making money. Now that's the bottom line. You can't attract people if they don't know who you are. I mean, I have people that I friend on Facebook, and the first thing they do is they send me their link in Messenger. And it's like, why would you do that? I mean, we haven't even had a chance to say hello. I haven't had a chance to see what they do, who they are, what they post all the time. What are they about? Where do they live? What's going on in their life? Do I get to see any of that? No. The first thing they do is send me a link in Messenger. Hey, check this out. I'm just like, I didn't even ask you for that. It's a turnoff, totally. I didn't ask you for your link. I just wanted to be friends, You don't. It's crazy, but attraction marketing is just so the opposite because I have people writing me and asking me for my link. I have people going to my stuff that I post in the right way that is attractive, and that's key. You've got to have that attraction component, and it's very important. I invite you to go to my Facebook page and let you see what a page looks like when it's all about attraction. So people can actually know who you are and actually get to know you, interact with you, be friends with you, and they're looking and they're asking, and you're not begging and spamming. I mean, that's really a big difference, and I love it. I love this kind of marketing, and that's why I had to do a video on it because it's so powerful, so wonderful, and so the best way to do business on your Facebook. So you can go to my link in my description. That'll take you to what I do and how I do it. And you can go to my Facebook page and check it out. See what you can see there, and kind of gives you a total idea of what I do and how it works for me and the right formula, put that together in the right formula, you got it. You are a totally different marketer online, and it's working. It's working well. So I invite you to go check it out. It's incredible, and I'm thankful to share it with you. So thanks for watching my video, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks. Bye from Alaska.